show what cause the picnic them for resent we as mothers. I think this stem from the fathers, because all the time is always the father are the one them to be absent. Very rare you find a mother's absence. Very rare. All right, somebody say you have good stepfathers. Cute. I'm glad you said that. You see, if you have a good stepfather will treat the same first child as their own, the child won't get jealous. But don't take up a stepfather where go show film picking love alone and reject the other child. Because even though it is a stepfather, it come with the mother. So you take the calf, cow, you have to take the calf. Treat the calf like it's your child. Because that way, you see, if that stepfather ignores the other child and only show interest in them child, there is going to be no peace in that home.
Yeah, no, we do take for the person in the comments, we do take counseling together, like as of a whole, because it's family believes in counseling, stuff like that, and
them will resent them siblings out of jealousy too. Yeah,
so
that's a good comment.
we do take counseling for our relationship as well, just to because I do have my own therapist as well, for my own other issues with my family and stuff like that. So I do have my own therapy. We decided to take therapy together to strengthen our relationship better.
Yeah.
On both sides, so that we know, because when we bring our son to this world, I'm due June 1st. We want to make sure. I want to make sure we are ready to be good parents to both children. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Yeah, girl, you're up on the right path. Yeah, angle that. Angle that. Tupac did tell we, you see, because of absence of father. You remember when Tupac did say, if the men don't stand up strong, we are going to have a race of babies that will hate the ladies that makes the babies. Uno look down in that part of that song there. If the man in here, if the man them don't refrain from having kids and turning them back on them, we are going to have a race of babies that will hate the ladies that makes the babies. I remember telling you something, girl, kind. You see, since a man can't make one, he has no right or place to tell you when and where to create one. Don't make no boy come ask you for a baby. If you don't see no stability.
That is crazy because
no stability, I'm not talking about financial stability. If you see red flag say a man can't give you love, how are you going to get pregnant for a man that can't give you love?
Right.
How we gonna come give the pitney love? Him already don't know how to love you. So how we gonna know how to love the pitney?
You know what's
a man has no right because he can't create one. Him have no right to tell you when and where to create one. We have to stand up now and be more vigilant as females.
Her father, her other father, like her other father.
All right, Jojo.
He's trying to go to court to try to get access back to my child. And after, mind you, when I was 16, he was about 25. So right now he's fighting me for my child, knowing that because he had seen my they had called us to court and stuff like that, and my the stepfather had came to court to support me fully. He wasn't gonna let me go alone by myself because I could not stand strong. I really couldn't, and I haven't seen this man in almost 4.5 years.
Him can't get your baby doing it,
He can't because number one, my child's autistic. She cannot speak.
The mother has the right.
My daughter
cannot
speak.
Always has the right.
So I would not trust nobody on my child.
Let me tell you something. You have nothing to worry about. When I'm in the court eyes, the mother is always right. Me, I'm gonna tell you when a mother gave up the right. You see, if you don't live in a comfortable space, if you're a drug addict, if you're not responsible enough, that is when the mother's right is not there. But 95% of the times, the mother always have the right. A judge will not take your child from you if the child is not going through abuse. If the child now go through certain things with the mother, the judge will not take your child from you.
And
when
he called me, he was like, because at first he was like, oh, like he was
Jamaican. The only way them
Jamaican.
can take for the child unless them prove that the mother is unfit. As long as you're a fit mother, you can't lose your child.
He tried to run to Jamaica after I was gonna initially put him on child support. Something in my heart told me just don't go through with it when I was young. So he's not on the birth certificate or anything. But now that he sees that You know, I'm doing so much more better in life. I'm so more happier. My child is happy. She doesn't even know you as dad. She knows his white man as dad. He treat her. He love her. He makes sure she's okay. He put on her shoes every morning. He cook her breakfast. He read and write and help her because she doesn't speak. So he sits there every day, every morning and helps her with everything. He's there
That
for
is our stepfather.
yes.